and you're watching Adulting, where I show you how to grow up your cooking game. That's right, today we are getting inspired by some of my hometown pride, y'all. It's a sandwich, and a very, very special sandwich. In 1979, Jimmy Weissman made a sandwich called the Garden Sandwich, and he entered it into the National Sandwich Competition, which is crazy. And even crazier, he won. In a state that's known for eating every portion of the animal, he won with a vegetarian sandwich. I'm so proud of him, and I think it's time we do a little version of the Garden Sandwich or the G. Arden Sandwich right now. Let's go. We gonna make this sandwich, y'all. Let's do this. What I'm gonna do right now is heat up this pan on medium heat and put a little glug of olive oil in, because we are about to cook up our mushrooms, our green onions, and our jalapenos, and they're all gonna go into the pan, all together, all of our friends. Let's go. Hi. And this little pop of green is gonna help the garden portion of this sandwich really stand out. Arkansas is a really interesting place because it is a place where you could eat probably an entire pig in one setting, or you could go on a hike and eat granola and marvel at the natural wonder of things and be a vegetarian hippy-dippy for the rest of your life. As a kid, it was fun because I was a little bit of both. I was the person that was eating pulled pork sandwiches, but then I was also taking these amazing hikes through the Ozarks. I was also a cheerleader. Who's surprised by that? We would do all of our training stuff on Pinnacle and running around in nature. So I'm really lucky and I'm blessed that I got to be part of the natural state. That's what Arkansas is called. Isn't that cool? We're the natural state. So I'm really happy and excited to bring some flavors from my hometown to you guys right now. Now the meat of this sandwich, which is not really meat, it's spinach, yay! And this is the star of our party because it was frozen and then we thawed it and then I squeezed it, wrung it dry so that it doesn't add too much moisture back to the sandwich. So I'm gonna put this guy in our pan. Welcome to the party, spinach. And now I'm gonna season it. Spinach is one of those things that absorbs seasoning, moisture, everything. Make sure you give it a nice little moment. And then to add some brightness back, because this is a very fibrous meal, we're going to add the brightness of half a lemon. Let's do it. And I'm just gonna juice that into our pan. And if you see right here, I've got my hand cupped so that no seeds get into our pan. That's a little trick. That's a little down-home trick for y'all. This is looking great. Okay, so I'm just turning off the heat now. I'm gonna pull this. This is the texture that we're looking for. We want it to be a little bit dried out. We are gonna add some creaminess back into this. But we don't want it to be super wet. This is a great time to pull it. I'm gonna put this in the bowl, let it cool off a little bit. And while this is nice and hot, I'm going to add a little bit of zest from this lemon. I'm gonna take a little microplaner and just, hi there. Lemon zest is one of the most grown-up things you can add to anything, and it's great because it adds brightness. Lemons aren't just for lemonade, y'all. Now that that's done, I'm gonna sit this over here and let that kind of steam up. And now we're gonna deal with our bread, because we gotta get the carb portion of this sandwich going. This right here is what I like to call upgraded white bread. This is sourdough bread. And it smells a little sour. It's delicious. I'm gonna butter both sides of this so we get a nice crispy crunch on the outside of our sandwich, right? So these two sides are gonna get buttered. Hello, friend. Ooh, look at that. Oh my God. Maybe it's just because I'm from Arkansas, but this gets me going. All right, I'm gonna put this on my bread. Beautiful. And honestly, there can never be too much butter. You butter believe it that this is buttered. I'm gonna put this butter down directly in my pan. Now that we've got our bread working, I think our sandwich needs something very important. If we're only gonna have vegetables, we need to add some cheese. Yes. What is a good sandwich without a delicious selection of cheese? What do we have? We've got our beautiful Swiss. Hello, Swiss. You look gorgeous. I'm gonna put you right on this half. Hi. Then we've got a little cheddar. A little brightness, a little orange. Love you, this is a classic. Gotta have some cheddar. Put my cheddar down. And then I'm also gonna have a little provolone. I'm gonna throw these down. and let them all melt together because they're gonna make like a nice little cheese sediment that's gonna be a good backbone for this sandwich. These are classic deli cheeses. I mean, this is why Jimmy used them, because everyone loves Swiss, everyone loves cheddar. And it works so well as a glue and a backbone for something that's vegetarian because it adds some creaminess, some fat, some richness. Good on you, Jimmy. I like your choices. Wait, do you hear that? I think my butter might be ready to go. Look at that. Oh, you beautiful buttery crust. I'm living for it. I'm gonna pull this guy off. I'm gonna pull my other half off. This guy's gonna go on top, so I'm gonna set him to the side, and then we're gonna get our mixture all mixy. Let's do this thing. Now we can add our mayonnaise, which is where the true Arkansan part of this starts. We'll say 2 spoonfuls. You decide what a spoonful is for yourself. I'm not gonna judge you. It's just up to you. You decide. I like things a little bit more mayonnaise-y because that's the true Southern way. This doesn't have any calories in it. What are you talking about? It's a vegetarian sandwich. That means it's healthy, duh. That guy's looking great. Look at that. Creamy, delicious. But we're going to add that to our bread now. So I'm gonna take my lower half of bread and spread this bad boy on. Ooh, Jimmy, I hope you're proud. Am I making Arkansas proud of me right now? I mean, I would have to be like cocking a shotgun at the same time while I'm making this to make them truly proud, but look at that layer. That is delicious, that is creamy, but it's not wet. It's gonna stick together, hold together. Every bite is gonna be a delight. And now it's time for the special Arkansan treat, sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are like the epitome of Arkansan. I mean, have you been in Arkansan's car? There's always like a half-full 7-Eleven spit cup full of sunflower seed shells. And listen, I'm not judging. Arkansas is not wrong about this. Sunflower seeds are amazing. Have you ever tried spicy sunflower seeds? Ah, to die for. Give it a go. That would actually be really great in this sandwich. Damn it. I'll do it next time. I feel like my ancestors should be so proud of me right now. Granny, if you're out there, I feel like you blessed this sandwich. Thank you. I'm going to chop this down the middle and give you the money shot. Oh, you hear that crunch? But look at that. I'm gonna plate it up and I'll show you the finished product. I mean, there's a reason why this won the National Sandwich Competition, all right? It is gorgeous. I can smell it from here. It's still somewhat healthy with a spinach element to it. I'm gonna take a bite right now. I'm so sorry, Liquid Lip. You're about to get absolutely destroyed. Jimmy, thank you. God bless you. You have done something special here. You can never go wrong with creamed spinach, but doing it with mayonnaise, oh my God, does it elevate it. I am so happy that I got to show you something I'm so proud of, a recipe from my own home state. So make sure to get out and go try this. Go grow up your cooking game. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Okay, see you then.